going to be putting in this fuel level sensor, because this one right here sucks. It's like a made up resistance, and it doesn't work with this gauge or the new gauge I'm going to be getting. So had to get this universal one from eBay, 20 bucks, and I have it hooked up now so I can show you that it works. This is upside down, but other way it'd be full, and then you go like that. It takes a little bit, but there it goes, emptying out the tank. So this will be nice to actually know how much E85 I have, because it runs out quick even with an 18-gallon tank. So yeah, I'm gonna go put that in. I will show you the beautiful tank now. Alright, here's the tank. Got the old one out, of course. Here's the old gasket, and it doesn't line up exactly. This one's a little bit bigger, so I'm probably just going to drill new holes in this instead of drilling new holes in this, because that'll make a mess. I don't feel like cleaning it up. So yeah, that's what I'm going to go do now. Alright, I have it marked out, and all I did to do that, put the old gasket on there, try and get it centered, and then just put some holes on there. Now we're going to drill those out and see if they line up. And I don't know if I'm going to have the screws to put them in, because the old ones, we thought they were rivets at first because it was so rusted. I had to Dremel a flat head on there so I could get them out. So we'll see if I have any screws to install it, but I can get it pretty much done. So I'm going to drill these out, be right back. Alright, there was a little change of plan. Drilling through this is impossible. Stainless steel, I think, and the drill bits weren't having it. Broke like 3 or 4 before I said screw that. And then I thought of this. This should work fine. So now I have to find some of those. Just little baby screws. And I don't know if I have any. Ooh, super blurry. So yeah, I'm gonna go try and find some that will work. So I'll be back either way. Alrighty. Sadly, I don't have any more of those bolts. But I got the one in there. It looks like it all should line up good. All I have to do is go to True Value, get some more of those. They're like a 36 pitch or a 0.75 for metrics. So I just gotta go find one of those and put the rest in, and then that'll be done, because I already have the wire ran for the gauge and the other one's a ground. Alright, so got the fuel tank in, and the wires are all ran now, and that's all for this brand new gauge I got. It only took like 46 days to get it from Ohio, but it's here finally. And I have to change out the coolant sensor, because this one has its own, but at least it has the resistance table, so I can use it with microsquirt. So I have to drill out this, fit this in there, which isn't a big deal, and then I can use this coolant for the microsquirt and for the gauge. So I'm going to go drill it out. Alright, got my new coolant sensor in. Should work. Hopefully it doesn't leak, because this did not want to tap. It was not having it. But I'm going to go throw this in the car. Alright, got it back in for the 3rd time. Hopefully it's the last time. So now, I think I'm going to start working on this finally. It's the bulkhead for the microsquirt through the firewall. I have it all wired up. Did that a couple weeks ago. But, yeah. I have to just clean all this up so it's hidden. And then I made a little table for myself so I know where each wire is and what it does. It's beautiful, I know. So then when I do the other side, I can just follow this and it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the bulkhead all cleaned up, and by cleaned up I mean I wrapped it, and it's probably as pretty as it's gonna be. And then the bulkhead goes out here now. I still gotta wire the other half of it, but there it is in all its glory. It's gonna be cleaner than last year at least. So that's where I'm gonna end it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.